Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from Video Show Me How, and in today's video, we've got a giveaway. So fresh off the back of the Patreon giveaway just the other day, big congrats to Bailey for winning, taking out the grand prize, which was the Ultra Winch recovery gear stuff. Well done, mate. We've got another giveaway here, and plan is to try and get this out ASAP so we can get it there before the Fat Man arrives in not too long. So we've got a couple of things from 23Zero's new accessories range, and these are a few of their slings. We've got 3 things to give away. We are giving away one of their stash slings. They look a little bit like this. All of them are similar in the fact that you can kind of roll them up into a bit of a sling, and then you can see you've got a bit of a handle there, you've got some clips going on, and it's all in 23Zero style. Super high quality stuff. So these things are excellent because they're all tearaway clear top pouches. You can store your Video Show Me How stubby coolers in there, VideoShowMeHow.com. You can put whatever you want in there. Think camping. They attach to the awnings. So they've got the standard sort of clips in there that just sort of slide into all sorts of different awnings. Doesn't have to necessarily be, 23Zero or any particular brand. They're just a standard sail track. So that's pretty awesome. This is excellent for camping. You can put all your food in there, maybe your tea and coffee making facilities or something like that in there. Maybe you've got a little one, you can put all that sort of stuff in there, have it all rolled up, ready to go. You get to camp, in she goes, and you're all set up. That's one. We've got this one here. This is the Bevy Sling. So pretty cool. If you've got some Bartles, it doesn't have to be the old wine or the old scotch, whatever floats your boat, but this is kind of cool as well. You can protect it a little bit by putting it in that same really high quality stuff. You can have that wrapped around so you've got a little bit of a carry handle, and then when you get there, instant bar. Pretty cool. And then finally, the third thing we've got is these guys. These are a combo, and what we have here is we have the kitchen sling. So this thing is pretty awesome. You can put all of your cups, plates, bowls in here. You've got a little sort of strappy bits here for, your hand towels, that sort of stuff. There's another one down there. You've got a massive pouch down here where you can put all your 4,000 different tongs. I don't know about you guys, but those things seem to multiply, or they disappear, one of the two. You've got plenty of space down there. We've got little cup holders, even with the little cutouts there, bowls. I think these are for your wine, so you put your stem through there, that sort of stuff for those glasses. And then of course, you need some knives and forks. So we've got one dedicated for cutlery, a utensil sling here, knives, forks. We've got a big slot here with some leather in here for your big Rambo style knife, that sort of stuff. And the idea is that you can have it all lined up, you can slide it all in when you arrive and have it all nice and sort of rolled up in its sling for when you are in transit to your campsite. So there we go, we've got 1, 2, and 3 to give away. I'm gonna do this pretty quickly because I wanna get this out before Christmas to you guys. To enter, it's going to be very, no, it's not gonna be very complicated. It's gonna be very simple. There's only gonna be 2 steps. So step 1, you got to share one of the videos from Video Show Me How to one of your mates. Maybe it's a Facebook group, maybe it's on your socials, maybe it's a text message. It doesn't really matter. If they've got a bit of a project going on and there's a video on there that maybe can help them, shoot them a link to the video. Maybe you're doing up the best dual carb ute on the market at the moment and you need a bit of a how-to, or they need a bit of a how-to for a new part they've got on the way. Shoot them a video. That's the first thing. The second thing is you just got to leave a comment down below on maybe which one of these that you'd be keen to arrive in your Christmas stocking. So that's number 2. Leave a comment in this particular video. This will be up on Instagram and a couple other things. So just remember though, you've got to leave a comment on this video on YouTube. That is how you go in the draw, and that's where we'll be doing a live draw from. So on Saturday night, this coming Saturday, we will do the live draw. We'll do the standard wheel of names. I love doing those. So we'll do that live. We'll do it around the sort of that 6 o'clock mark. I'll leave all the details in the video description of exactly when we are going to do it, but we'll do it live and we'll draw 1, 2, and 3, as simple as that. But that's it guys, pretty straightforward. So jump on in and get yourself in the draw. About 250 bucks worth of stuff here from the legends at 23Zero. So thanks very much for supporting. Saturday, we do have another video that's coming out as well on this guy next weekend, or the weekend coming. So keep an eye out for that one. Then the bonus draw on Saturday afternoon or Saturday early evening. Details in the description. We'll have that one coming out as well. And then a couple of other little videos that are coming out before Christmas as well. So it's all happening. Love your stuff, guys. As always, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.